anak. Na kahit anong mangyari, hindi mo papabayaan ng kapatid mo. Alam naman natin na espesyal siya.
Philippines President Rodrigo Duterte's so-called war on drugs killed thousands. The government says a little over 6,000 people were killed in legitimate anti-drug operations.
Kahit taon na siya. Okay, boss. Diba?
I would stop drugs and criminality in 3 to 6 months.